Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful 3D origami tissue paper holder with 80 GSM origami paper, and the color combination is looking very vibrant, very attractive and very beautiful, isn't it? So I will share from scratch how to make the base, how to start from row 1 to the rows 27th, and this is very easy to make. You just need to follow all the instruction carefully. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am showing you how to make the origami piece. So here I am taking green color small piece, and to create the piece I am taking here A4 size 80 GSM paper. We just need to fold it to get 64 equal pieces. So each time we just need to fold it in half and cut it using scissors. And half of this you will get the same size piece as I am using. So this piece measures approximately 3.5 by 2.5 centimeters, and now I'm just showing you how to make one origami piece. Folding this from center, again folding it into half. Now on the center crease line, folding from both the sides like this. Then flip the piece. Then we need to fold the corners, bottom corners like this, and fold it upward. Similarly repeating here. And then fold this piece from center, and the 3D origami piece is ready. In the bottom you will have two slots or two pockets, and on the top you will have two flaps. So each time when you make the piece, you have to insert on another piece like this. So I'm inserting two flaps inside two pockets, and in this way you have to create the pieces. So this is called the chain of pieces. And with the similar method, I have already prepared total 7 shades to create my project, and we need total 20 blue color pieces, 60 light green pieces, 92 yellow pieces, 100 orange pieces, 108 red pieces, 132 brown pieces, and 254 black color pieces. So prepare all the pieces and start making the tissue holder. So to make the base, here I am taking 19.5 by 5 centimeter cardboard piece, and I am wrapping it using orange color paper. You can take any color paper, it doesn't matter. And this is nicely covered. Then starting with the row 1, add glue on the one edge. The diagonal side should be on front of you, and then just stick the piece like this. So for my first row, I am adding black, orange, then 2 yellow pieces, again orange, black and brown. And we need to repeat this sequence 5 times. So the first row is ready. Now add glue on top of each piece so that the tissue paper will be sturdy and strong. Now starting with the row 2, and I am adding black, yellow, green, yellow, black and brown. And again brown. So we need to repeat this for 4 times. And second row is done. Then I am proceeding for the row 3. For this I am adding black, 2 green pieces, black, brown, red and brown. And we just need to repeat this sequence. And this is done. Then I am starting with row 4. For this I am adding black, blue, black, brown, 2 red and brown and repeating the sequence. So this is also done. Then I am starting with row 5. So here I am adding black pieces for 2 times, then brown, red, orange, red, brown, and we need to repeat this. This is also done. Then row 6, black, brown, red, orange, orange, red, brown. This is also done. Then starting with row 7, so adding black, red, orange, yellow, orange, red, black, and we need to repeat this. And now can you see how beautiful this is getting shape? The triangular design, it's looking very nice. Then starting with row 8, so adding black, orange, yellow, again yellow, orange, black, brown, and repeat it. So this is also done. Then starting with row 9, so adding black, yellow, green, yellow, black and brown, and again brown. Then row 10, so adding black, green, green, black, brown, red, brown, and repeating it. Then starting with row 11, so adding black, blue, black, brown, red, red, brown, and repeating it. And starting with row 12, black, black, brown, red, orange, red, brown, and repeating it. Row 13, black, brown, red, orange 2 times, red and brown. Then row 14, black, red, orange, yellow, orange, red, and repeating it. Then 15 row, black, orange, yellow, yellow, orange, and black and brown, and repeating it one more time. Then row 16, black, yellow, green, yellow, black, brown, and repeating it. Then row 17, black, green, green, black, brown, red, brown, and repeating it. Row 18th, black, blue, black, brown, red, red, brown, and repeating it. Then row 19th, black, black, brown, red, orange, red, brown, and 2 times black. Then row 20th, black, brown, red, orange, orange, red, brown, and black. Row 21st, black, red, orange, yellow, orange, red, and black. Then row 22nd, black, orange, yellow, yellow, orange, and black. Then row 23rd, black, yellow, green, yellow, black. Row 24th, black, green, green, black. Row 25th, black, blue, black. Row 26th, 2 black pieces. And for the last row, that is 27th row, only single black piece. And the beautiful pattern is done. It's looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? Super duper easy to follow. And with a similar method, we have to repeat the process on other side. So here I have reached to the other side end as well, adding my last row with the single black piece. And both side triangular pattern is ready. Looking very vibrant, very colorful. And this is the space between both the patterns. So now we can simply put our tissue paper between these two patterns, and this is quite large, so you can put bigger size tissue papers as well. And we don't need to decorate this from top because anyways this is looking beautiful with all the lovely colorful patterns, so you can keep it as it is to decorate your home. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.